All right, my name is Kenneth Bassi. I am an independent business owner with OctaFx. OctaFx is an award-winning broker in Nigeria. They are in the financial market. They specialize in buying currencies, euro, dollar, crypto, when the price is down, and sell when the price is high and make profits. This company has been in existence for 10 to 15 years now. They are regulated, certified, and verified by money laundering authorities in Nigeria. They provide a platform where people come online and trade currencies, right? They have experts in the business that are good at buying currencies when the price is low and sell when the price is high. Just like in our local market where we buy oil at a cheaper rate, at a cheaper price, we store it and sell it when the price is high. But in the financial market, there's enough space, the global space for everybody. You can join the trading today, anytime. There's so much market, there's so much money in the financial market to make today. As a matter of fact, this is what Warren Buffett, Donald Trump, Bill Gates, and the rest of others are doing, and they're making good money from this. The good news I want to share with you today is that today, because of the technology available in 2025, with the help of AI, your mobile app, you can instantly join these guys who are expert in this business. You can open your mobile phone, look at these guys globally, all over the world, and copy whatsoever they are trading. I mean, you are not coming to learn how to do trading, to buy currencies, to do this and do that. You are just copying people as simple as ABC. You can copy Warren Buffett. You can copy all the top guys in this business and make your money. The only thing here is that as you're making profits, the company takes 30% of your money. Because you are not the one that is trading yourself. There are people that are guiding you, holding you by the hand to show you what to do at your fingertips. So there's nothing to worry about. Please, I have to make this very clear to you. This is not a Ponzi scheme that they say bring so amount, you have 100% return on investment. I'm sorry. OctaFx is not into those kind of business, because I wonder why people would just go to bank, remove their money and deposit in a company that they don't even know how they make their profit, or because of the promises of huge profit, 100% return on investment. That is scam. That is Ponzi scheme. So I don't introduce people to this kind of business. I don't even, participate in business like that. You can't join a business that you don't know how they make their profit, all right? All these China guys, they come to Nigeria, they come to places with Ponzi scheme just to scam us and go away with our money. OctaFx is in real business of buying currencies. Just for instance, 2 years ago, if we're able to buy dollar, let's say 5-6 years ago, if we're able to buy dollar, $1 used to be 150, 200. Today, $1 is 1,000 plus. This is what is happening in the financial market. And there's so many currencies in the financial market that you can buy and sell and make profit instantly. The only risk in this business is the fatality rate. The fatality rate is the speed that, the prices goes up and comes down. So this is why, because of the technology involved in 2025, you don't need to trade yourself. You don't need to do all this yourself. You need to just to copy someone. So this is the good news I am telling you. So Let me not take much of your time. Let me show you briefly from my mobile app how you can sign up. I would advise as you are signing up, just learn. I would like you to learn how to do this. I'm not telling you should go to your bank, deposit money, and begin to like copy people unnecessarily. Just take a closer look. Take a look. Most times the difference between a poor man and a rich man is lack of information, lack of access to some information. So what am I trying to tell you now? Below this video, you see a link. Click the link. The link will take you to Google Play Store. Download that mobile app to your phone. Register with your name and your email address. Then open the app. When you open the app, you will access the big boys in this company. However, if you are confused, our office is at 47 Brook Street. You can come there. We have experts in the company that will hold you by the hand and show you how to do it. We are not telling you to bring your money and deposit. Tomorrow we'll pay you 100% profit. We pay you 50% return on investment. That is bullshit. We are not into those scam and sponsor scheme. We are the real business of buying and selling in foreign currency trading. Foreign currency exchange. You understand? We are in the exchange market. We look at when the market is down, we buy. And once the market is high, we sell. You see the profit immediately. And the profit will begin to accumulate. And you can withdraw instantly. All right? You don't have a special amount to deposit. You can deposit any amount you like and start learning the system. By the time you get used to the system, you see people. Honestly, I think you will be interested to bring your money, deposit, and trade. And by the time you trade with your real money, that's when you'll be able to withdraw. But as you are joining the company, you can choose to join with a virtual money. Virtual money is a kind of money that you will not be able to withdraw because it's not your money. It's owned by the company just for you to learn the system. So the good news I'm giving to you today is to sign up, register, and begin to have access to what is happening in the financial market, because the market of the street is highly saturated. It's highly competitive. You and I know this. The market is filled up. The shop is filled up. What about coming online with your mobile phone and a mobile app and access the global market? The global financial market is open and it's wide. And it's open to everybody to make profit. So far, you know how to do it. Here, you have experts that are going to hold you by the hand and show you who are expert in this business for years. All right, people that have accumulated years of experience in trading, in buying. These are the people you are following. You only have to pay 30% of your profit to them, just that. So take a look at your mobile phone. At the top corner of my phone, you see OctaCopy. That is our mobile app. I want to tap on it. Okay, this is the app opening. Let me just use 1 minute and show you how to go about it when you download the app. As I put it from Play Store, put your name, your email, register. That's okay. Open the app, access it. When you access it, you see everything you need to know. You see people you can copy with risk score, low risk score, top gainers, and the rest of that. Right? So I think my network is slow. Just Nigerian network IT, so it's trying to load the interface of the app. So I think it's loaded. So once you are in the platform, you register. So this is how you see it. So you come down to where they go to Masters Trader. These are big boys that have been in business for years. They have experience. So when you tap on it now, you see, these are the people you have to copy. Just in 1 minute, if you choose to copy any of them, they send a code for you. You put on the platform and trade. If they trade for 1 hour, they trade for 2 hours, they trade for 3 days. However, at the end of the trading, you will see your profit and you can take out your profit. So this is your wallet. If you want to deposit your money, you tap on the wallet. Wallet is what you have in the account right now. You can access your money. From there, you can withdraw. This is option to deposit. This is copy area. You tap on here, it will take you to people that you can copy. I mean, because of time, just below this below this video, I left a link for you. Just tap on the link. The link will take you to Play Store. Download the app. Simple as ABC. Register with your name and your email address. That's all. If you are confused, you have my contact, you have my name, you know everything about me. I will give you more detail, more information you need to know about this company. However, our office at 47 Brook Street here in Uyo. Fine, you are free to get in touch and see the office, see the people involved. Let us guide it. Let us show you the business in the financial market. Thank you very much. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.